Hey, this is Dwayne Mooney. Um, Welcome to one of my great programs, Eyeline Trading. This is the cover page. It has information on how to join About Us, Eyeline. It's a marketing company, blah, blah, blah. You can read all the information. It's real much. In addition to all the crypto space, there are also licensed brokerages specializing in Forex and stock. Actually, we're not dealing with the Forex anymore. We're just specializing. Well, they specialize in Forex stocks and crypto, but they're only trading crypto and stocks in this particular account. And this is the trader. His information. He's a guy out of Colombia, and he's been a licensed broker certified. You can look him up. You receive the commission to buy and sell gold, blah, 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 blah. And trading packages. It's important to understand that Affiliate Pen offers a crypto trading package. The money that comes in can go towards trading or towards operations and commissions. However, the same money can't go into both. We understand this is Eyeline Trading. I want to be as transparent as possible. So out of the $40, every $40, 50% goes into the trading and 50% goes into the operations, which mostly that's what they do, but they just don't tell you how it works. We make accounts, not pooled. Trading packages are individual accounts, not pooled. You can start them and stop them anytime. You can withdraw your principal anytime. We make up to 0.60% per day, and it goes in 365 days a year. You get paid daily, and then you get half of your $40 back at the end of the year. Can't beat that. It's great. So a lot of money is to be made. Then we have an affiliate plan for people who want to build a business. I suggest you all do that because this is my number one company, and I'm building a nice business. I want to log in my account. One of my accounts, actually, and show you how it works. Right now in my wallet, I have 0.010247. I have two people that have joined with this particular account. PTC packages are at 30. And these are the top folks in the company. What I want to do is, of course, my tree, support, order history, training resources, personals. What's personals mean? Oh, that's my personal information, I guess. Yeah. Oh, no, people have signed up. So as I go here, third person has not funded their account yet, and it will disappear in a couple of days if they don't fund it. Now, e-wallet, let me get into a new order, because I want to order, because right now the packages are worth 0.0099. And of course I have more than enough money. And that changes based on how much Bitcoin is worth. When Bitcoin goes up, the price goes down toward what you can purchase. When Bitcoin goes down, this price goes up. So it's like a natural hedging that you're having. So we're constantly making money, no matter what. And when they do the trading, we make money if it goes down, if Bitcoin goes up or down. So I want to place a buy order. And, place a buy order. And payment I'm going to choose is from my e-wallet. now I'm going to order, and viewing my order. Here, buying 1.099, and then confirm. Order process. So now, when I go back to my front page or home page, 31 packages. So I basically spent 31 packages, so that's 40 times 31, which is 1,230. I mean, 1,240. This is what I have left. And I love it. I love passive income. I love building this opportunity. So I should suggest you all come with me, get in this business, and let's make some good money. Peace and prosperity.